Hi guys, I'm here with good news. I'm so excited. If you haven't updated your Boomlive app, kindly rush now and go and update it. Boomlive just dropped this morning. What they did now is September 10th. They just dropped the new update, the 0911 update. I don't know why they call it the 0911, but let me give you the tea. Well, they say we are so excited to bring you the latest version of Boomlive. You know, when you log in your device and you try to log in another device, they log you out of that one for you to be, log in the other one. Now, the payroller have tried their best to talk to Boom that no, we are selling coins, we are doing this, and now there's no self-gifting. So if you log in another account, they will log you out of that other device. So please do something about it, and they listen. You guys say they don't listen, and they listen. Now you can log in multiple devices with one account. Yes. One account, you can log in one account with multiple devices. They are not going to log you out of another account. You know that thing whereby you want to be on Boomplay and also be on Boomlive? You can still log in Boomlive and still be logged in on Boomplay with another account. And you can use Boomlive one account to log in multiple devices. The next thing, female hosts don't have to reach to a certain level to go live. Yay! Female hosts, if this video ends, I'll just do cut and join. I'm telling you, because I'm making this video on Snapchat. It's so early morning. I haven't done anything. I'm making this video. Female hosts, you don't need any level to go on video live. You can now go live freely without any level. Just do your face authentication and boom, you are good to go. You are going to be like, what about the males? Is it only females that get goodies? But wait, it's not only females that get good perks on Boomlive. Let me bust your head. If you're a new male host, even though you still need to get to level 10 before you go live, but if you're a new male host, you are going to be getting 300 coins, 300 Bitcoins gift worth in your backpack. So it's like a welcome treat for you so that you can, you can try to get to know the app as you try to level up. So you can decide what to do with that gift. And another thing is that for those that are inviting video host, I know you'll be like, oh, if I invite the video host, they only appear and I don't get the money. Now invite all your female hosts that you know. As they are going live, you are going to get $4 per person. So this is the time you get to work and start inviting all those your friends back on Boomlive. In fact, invite those your friends that have not done face authentication yet. They can start all over. This is the right time for them to start, for you to earn. I'm just giving you the tea. But please, rush now. Rush now. Go and update your app to the 0911. And let's come on Boomlive and let's show them how it's done. Okay? If you are watching this video and you are not yet on Boomlive, please kindly go and download Boomlive and start. You get your first $7 for your first 1 week. Yes, Boom is still paying. They are still paying. Go and cash out, guys. Go and cash out. So that's it. Thank you. I'm going to get ready for work. Bye. And don't forget to follow me and follow me on Snapchat, because I'm making this video on Snapchat. I don't have time to turn on my camera and be like, oh, but we have to do this real quick. Okay? Bye.